Tuesday, March 3rd at about 10 a.m. We're just heading down Highway 4. Ottawa is on the left. We're heading westbound. Looks like we're getting a mix of snow and rain. It's sounding a little like hail. Coming into Camp Connell, the Camp Connell General Store and Post Office is on the left. We're really getting a mix right here of snow and hail and rain. Sierra Parkway on the left. It's turning a little bit more to rain right now. And it's letting up. Arrived in Dorrington, elevation 4,730. Still kind of a mix of hail and rain. Big Trees Village Drive is on the left. Golden Torch Drive is on the right. Letting up a little bit now. A little bit of a lighter snowfall. And that's it for now. You have a good day.